Hey guys, so today we'll be reviewing the Fern Residency which is in Chembur, Mumbai. This is a 4-star property, and first let's review the amenities. So this is the children's play area. As you can see, they have slides, swings, activities for kids to hang, play and do multiple other things. So whatever you can think of for the children to enjoy, you will find it here. Then apart from all these slides, activities and other things, they also have a jogging running track, and then they have a beautiful big garden. The grass is good, children can just run around, do some free play, and I have not seen such a big garden and such big playground in Mumbai. Even in the 5-star hotels it's not there. Now this is for children. Now let's see for toddlers. You have small chair and table where they can sit and do some activities, and you also have a ballroom and some swings and seesaws and slides. These are for the toddlers, and as you can see the ballroom, the children can come here, play with ball and slides and other things they can enjoy. So these are the amenities which are available for children. Now let's look at the amenities for adults and others. There is a library, a well equipped library where you can find the books of all the genres. So children, young adults, teens, everyone, mythology, biography, storybooks, everything you can find here. You can rent and enjoy. Then apart from the library, you also have an area which is an open area. There are some vintage cars which is on display here, and opposite to that you have the swimming pool. Now swimming pool is an open air swimming pool, and it's a perfect complement to Mumbai weather, which is hot and humid. So anytime you can come, the water will be perfect for you to take a swim. You will love enjoying the swimming here. Coming to other amenities, this is the TT room where you have around 4 tables where you can play table tennis. This is the badminton area, which is open air badminton. 2 courts are available. The rackets for TT as well as badminton are available at the counter. You can take it from there and you can play. Now, apart from the badminton, there are some other amenities also. So, as in any 4-star hotel, you have a well equipped gym. Let's look inside the gym what all are available. So, as you can see, there are lots of dumbbells which are available here. That's the great part. You also have cycles, cross trainers, and inside you have your lateral pull downs, you have treadmills, and you have bench presses and everything else which you can ask for in a gym. So, very well maintained gym. Then, cherry on top, you have 2 squash court where you can go and play squash. The only thing is, you will have to have your own racket and your own shoes which are rubber soled to be able to play this. Otherwise, they do not provide squash related equipment here. In addition to the squash, there are few other amenities also which are indoor and outdoor. So let's review them. Indoor activities include carom, chess, and a few indoor games like Ludo, Cluedo, and other things. And then you also have 3 tables of billiards where you can play billiards.